What's up, everybody? The blue hair's gone. Now it's like a crossbar. Oh, nice little cut. Instead of Nick today, we have. Which channel do you want, or do you want your name?
Oh, just put special reviews and stuff.
Oh, yeah, we have special reviews.
What to do?
Another friend of mine. Instead of Nick, we just got special reviews.
Babe, you ready to grandma?
Yeah, she's going. We're out again at the boat ramp. Where's the doggies? So we're doing again Georgie, and instead of Nick today we got Benjamin. He special reviews.
Wow.
Got any good ones? She's got a stick.
But how graceful is that jump though?
We've been
IRL.
getting some good ones.
Where's my phone? I want to see the distance.
Yep.
It's up there with distance.
Yep. So we're trying a different approach. Instead of phone, we just tried what did you want, honey? Soy chicken.
Yeah.
That one, I guess.
I don't care if they know my real name.
Okay, that makes it a lot more easier then.
I say my real name on my channel.
Just be careful, so you're on the edge of the water there.
I say my real name on my channel intros
Okay.
anyway. So.
Okay then, well it's Benjamin.
Yep. What's
I'll
going
link.
on, guys? Benjamin, otherwise known as Special Reviews and stuff.
Okay, I'll link his channel in, and Amy's channel and her photography page, because doing that.
You want to help me?
Gotta get Georgie again.
Okay, hang on.
You gotta move around. Yes, if you can tell, my girl has a dress on. And she's also demonetized. Don't worry, this, the first video I put up there, she like pulled up her shirt, and she had a bra on and all that.
Go over that way a bit more.
Oh, this way? Okay. I'm zoomed in. So Benjamin, stand about where your thongs are, like in line with that. With George again, spectacle. Is a stick. I want that stick. Nice lovely day again. That's where we pick the nice days. She's literally... She's standing on my leg, making my leg wet. Sit. Cold? Come here. So we're just doing another day of getting good photos. We want get some good photos of her jumping and in the air and all that. That's what we're aiming at. And boys, there's a splash. The splash photos are cool. Saw that. Georgie, oh! I know he is. Harley! Harley's just shaking all over him. I know. Georgie! In line. And another. No good one? I think your phone's a little bit better for it.
I don't even know where my phone is.
You just had it.
I know.
It's probably still sitting on it.
Oh, where?
I'm just putting your chips up here, this other way. I know you want them, but they're going up there for now.
You can see the difference.
How the hell does my finger get in the shot then? That's why we're coming out here, because nobody can see.
Ashley, move.
And vlogs. Because
Vlogs and stuff. New channel coming soon. No, yeah, man.
well, the video I just put up, uploaded. I think I called it how to take the perfect photo with the dogs.
Better on that side. Don't pick that up.
Do not touch it. Georgie. Yeah. I know. You can grab
It's
it.
like a big fucking
Once I got hold of it, you can grab it.
bonus.
So you want me on that side?
Go over the
And then I might put my thumbs back on this
So good.
because it's for me.
because it's the
So good.
what's
So
wrong?
do not hit the chip. There's a chip packet right there, and that she's going to hit it probably. I don't think I timed that right, but
They're all blurring on my phone.
they're all blurry. I think this is probably going to be the longest one. The hell?
You heard that too, right? Ashley.
There's people over there.
Hang on.
You won't have
There's
a
people over there.
like where?
Over there, they're near the wall.
Are they on the wall?
By the looks of it, yeah.
Okay. Cooey. How would you cooey? I don't want their attention. Yeah. Come here. Oh, bloody it. Yep, there she goes. Nope. She's like, no stick, no flow.
Hesitation.
Georgie, no.
Hang on, I'm ready for her. Just so jump.
Georgie, jump. Jump. Too close. Georgie, over here.
No, actually, no, I like it like that.
You like it? Yeah.
I'm trying to get a good photo. Georgie, come up here. Up here. No, not near me.
Georgie,
I'm trying
ready?
to get one of her near the water, like that. Damn it.
She's fast.
Just get her to come sit. Babe, they're following him.
Come on, puppies.
Georgie, bring it to me.
Ready? Go on,
Actually,
me.
get her to sit up there with her stick.
That's going to be impossible. She just wants people to throw it.
Woo. Georgie, sit.
I don't think I'm doing much in this video today.
Sit. Sit. No.
I don't think I don't know.
Oh, wow. Hang on, sit. Sit.
I got that.
You poor bitch.
I got that.
Babe, look at this.
Yeah, I'm coming in with the camera. Oh, that is so cool. I like that.
I want to get one of her running on the grass at me. Look. I'll sit up here. Because the grass is
This
so much
not-
comfier than the fucking cement. Come on!
Yeah.
That's
what I
kind of want, but not blurry.
You want a photo of her running?
Without her
My
blurring.
video intro.
That's all good. Okay, so what we were just doing, and I had no camera because I had no hands.
I kind of want to get one of her running into the water over there. So if you want to grab that lens, we'll just be over there, Benjamin.
I'll put your puffer back at the back.
Stay here.
Okay, so we're trying a different tactic. We're trying over there.
Kind of like you're reviewing my photography.
It's pretty much what it is. I'm recording what you do. So there, I just noticed something. A load of dust coming up. Because people drive weird.
I gotta find the best spot to sit.
You don't want
Take her up
to...
onto that bit there.
Yeah. Wolf boy! Georgie, where's your stick? Okay, so we'll just pretty much... What's down? That's a motor. That's a motor for... That's a pump motor. Looking for a stick again because you lost our bond. So that's the fun part. I don't want too small sticks, they're easy to lose. I want a big firm stick, I guess. Here we are, here's the mother load. That'll do it. Got a big stick now. So, Benjamin just done his intro. So you want Georgie up here? Georgie, I got you a stick!
Wait, is your YouTube still Wolf Boy?
Yeah, but when you search it, it's weird.
Isn't it 6?
Okay, we are doing a different angle.
So you first.
Right, so I've got to throw one of these sticks.
Amy's going to tell you what to do.
This one. Let's wait on instructions from.
Just ask her what you do.
Yeah. What do you want me to do?
Throw it out that way.
Do you mind being on video?
She's on.
I don't want to point it towards you just in case.
She's on my videos all the time, so.
What's up?
Throw it that way.
That way?
Ashley, don't let it go to left side.
Okay. So we have Georgie again. Got Benjamin. He's going to get slammed by the looks. We got Wait. Hopefully they're good shots.
Very grateful.
Look.
That I'm gonna totally crop.
That one? Show me, show me, show me. I want to see, I want to see. Watch the lens there as well. Okay, let's see. We got Harley and then we got Georgie. Any other good ones?
Yep.
Okay. So,
I should totally start a vlogging channel.
that's what I've been doing, Eddie. Just vlogging the sunsets.
Yeah.
Like, damn, that sunset. And then you got damn that.
Make sure she doesn't come in.
So,
I think.
I'm actually panicking right now.
Why?
Georgie up here! So,
No, she won't bite.
oh. Go
Just
cake
a sec,
two, I guess.
changing hands. Georgie.
It's okay, Ben. Throw it.
She's a very strong dog, German Shepherd.
Yep, let it go.
That's Splash.
Have a nice sunset while you're at it, guys, too.
So yeah, we've been loving this spot here. Just a normal old boat ramp in Gayndah, I guess.
Can you get Harley to sit on the rough?
Harley.
I want to take some. I want to take some of Harley. Harley, up here, Bubba. Harley, up. Alright, that's Harley, sit.
So Amy's trying to get a good photo of Harley sitting. But yeah, that is true. He is hard to work with. I had a 3-minute one in that, so I guess a couple minutes long. Oh, and there was a video I mentioned about Tiger. He's well, he's at home. Got some ointment for him. Hopefully we get to see how he goes. Nothing bad, I don't
I
think.
might add stuff.
But yeah. And this wind you probably going to hear a lot of. I keep putting my finger over the thing. This video is going to be a little bit weirder. Not much going on, just same old. But people might like that, I guess. You gotta stick to what you know. And learn some more new things as you go. As you can tell, I am wearing my Avenger shirt today. I finally seen that video like a couple of weeks ago, and ooh, damn, I liked it. Made my girlfriend cry.
Don't worry, it's
But yeah,
Stop.
coronavirus. It's,
Bring it out.
me just walking along the path. God damn, I'm an idiot. I just stood on the camera, but I didn't stood on it very hard, so I'm good.
also, I just realized
I keep getting that. I love that fact. This fawn trying to learn where my finger is. Yeah. I have to have a shave again. I think I got stubble coming back in. But I'm enjoying this little walk here.
I ain't call it an afternoon.
What are we doing? Okay, so what do we say, bub? Okay, so we're gonna pack up the dogs. Somehow get Georgie in the car. He's out there.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure what type of video this is meant to be. It's not really an update video.
Mom.
But once?
Yeah, if you
Bargain.
enjoy
If there's worms in it, that's a bargain. Is there worms? Look at this. Someone come along. Oh my god, there is actually worms.
You guys. I'll take these home and put them in the car.
There's actually worms in here. I hope no one's squirmish, because I don't know who could be squirmish with worms, but people are.
How beautiful.
Look at that. I'll zoom in on that. All the little wiggly guys and that. I'll go put your camera back.
I'll get my flashlight. Hang on.
Yeah, but I said too close on it.
There we go.
My girl's rocking a cool ass dress. She's been loving dresses lately.
This is my short lens, isn't it?
Look at those shoes. Got Benjamin out there sorting stuff out, grabbing a packet of chips.
Who would just leave some wendies here?
Don't know. Kill them. They just wanted to kill him.
hello.
They left him. He would have been
He's
worse.
dead, like he's dying. Yeah, put some more.
Just chucks him in the water.
He's better.
Yes, my girl is using a Canon EO5
Some water.
12,000D or something.
Hold him on your hand and I'll take a photo.
I get the gross part. She's going to take a photo. Georgie in the background, just full on yep. So how do you reckon this photo shoot went, Benjamin? Thumbs up.
Stop!
Get some worm photos in. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. I am Aussie, so you gotta love the worms.
No, I keep holding him.
Yeah, I was cleaning dirt off me.
I want him to like do something cool. Besides piss on me.
He's gonna piss on you anyway.
I don't focus on just him. Hang on. Where's
Sure.
manual on here?
Georgie is a non-stop going dog. She will just keep going.
Come on, manual. There we go.
My arm's getting tired, but
You know, if I dangle these in the water over there, a turtle will grab it.
pretty much we're just documenting Amy's tutorial stuff on how to take photos, I guess. As she takes them, I try to film most of them and vlog on it.
Hey,
Don't worry.
hey,
We'll get you home.
You take them, bub. I'll take this.
Someone left a whole heap of...
So, I didn't press record. Ah! I hit my leg. Okay, fingers were getting sore, I guess, holding the phone in. Georgie wants to go back in still.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hate if I fall in. Okay, so sun is setting, we're going losing light. We are going to head home. Call it a night. Probably,
Your dad wants to do some night fishing tonight.
don't know,
I don't know if he's at work tomorrow, that's all.
this weekend. But he's been having a lot of problems on the farm. Chips.
You pick them all up?
Yep.
Yeah.
You want to hold the camera? It's on selfie mode. It's still filming as well.
There's a cockroach on me. Quick, Bob, there's a cockroach on me. He's just chilling. Hey! Okay.
Okay. You gonna do my outro?
Huh?
You wanna do my outro? Okay guys, we're gonna call it a night. Bye!
Wet Willy.